All right, here's the Q COVID-19 test cartridge that I disassembled. Well, broke apart, I guess is a better description. You can see how the swab slides into a little reaction chamber down here. As you push the swab in, it clicks a bunch of times, sliding this piece of plastic here down, piercing the foil in the three reagent chambers. And you can see there's a little rubber seal at the end here, so that little piece pushes down into this reaction chamber here. Let's just take that out. That's just the swab. Take this off. And then you can see there's some small holes in between these reaction chambers, which might have a phase change material that, when heated, melts. And then if we pry the circuit board off, this was pretty tight initially. You can see the underside here. This is the piezoelectric inducer that mixes the sample. And then you can see some channels for fluid flow in the glue here, and then on the circuit board itself. So these are just the contacts for the piezoelectric inducer. And so maybe these are electrodes here. There's some kind of, it's really hard to make out exactly where, but there's definitely some channels here. You can see pinpoint holes. And then the main sensor area, you can see this channel here lines up with these sensors. Right, so the fluid must flow along this. Probably, it sounds like it's ferromagnetic, so probably pulled along with the electromagnets in the reader, and then into this sponge reservoir here at the end.